So, you're thinking about building a PC. Let me tell you, that's a fantastic idea. For years, people have seen pre-built computers as the only option, like buying a car off the lot without ever looking under the hood. But the truth is, assembling your own computer is one of the most rewarding tech projects you can undertake. It might seem like a daunting task, full of complex parts and a million tiny screws, but I'm here to tell you that it's more like building with high-tech Legos than performing open-heart surgery. It's a journey that puts you in the driver's seat, giving you complete control over your machine's performance, aesthetics, and, most importantly, your budget. This guide demystifies the process. Calm, simple, step by step. By the end, you won't just have a new computer, you'll have a new skill. Before you can assemble your masterpiece, you need to gather your materials. This is the planning phase. Get this right and everything else runs smoother. First up, the core components. CPU, the brain of the operation. Motherboard, the central nervous system. RAM, the short-term memory. Storage, fast SSD for OS and apps. GPU, the powerhouse for games and visuals. Some CPUs have graphics built in for budget builds. Case, the chassis. Prioritize airflow and size, not just looks. PSU, the heart. Don't cheap out here. CPU cooler, keeps temps in check. Stock versus aftermarket, noise and performance. You mostly need a good Phillips screwdriver. Magnetic tip helps with tiny screws. Use an anti-static strap to protect components. Check compatibility, CPU to socket, RAM type, and clearances. Sites like PC Part pick a flag issues and save returns. Alright, the moment of truth has arrived. It's time to start building. Lay your case on its side on a clean, flat surface. Prepare your motherboard. Working outside the case is easier for CPU, RAM, and cooler. Locate the CPU socket and lift the retention arm. Gently place the CPU, aligning the triangle. It should drop in. Never force it. Lower the arm to lock it. Slight stiffness is normal. Open the RAM slot clips. Check the manual for the correct slots. Align the notch and press down evenly until the clips click. Apply a pea-sized dot of thermal paste unless pre-applied. Secure the cooler following its instructions. Install motherboard standoffs in locations that match your board. Pop the I/O shield into the case. Edges can be sharp. Carefully lower the motherboard onto the standoffs. Secure with screws. Snug, not over-tightened. Mount SSDs and HDDs in their bays or slots. Open the PCIe latch and remove the rear slot covers. Insert the GPU into the top PCIe slot until it clicks, then secure it. Install the power supply. Begin routing cables cleanly. Connect the 24-pin motherboard power. Connect the 8-pin CPU power. Connect GPU power. Power your storage drives. Connect the power switch, LEDs, and front USB. Your motherboard manual is your best friend here. Do a quick visual check. Everything connected and clear of fans. Ready for first boot. Here we go. Deep breath. Power. And life. You've done it. Components in, screws tightened, cables connected. One final thorough check. Make sure power is connected to the motherboard, CPU, GPU, and storage. Plug in and flip the PSU switch. Press power, fans spin, lights turn on, and you should see a logo. Enter BIOS. If nothing happens, don't panic. Power down, reseat cables, check RAM and the PSU switch, and ensure your monitor is on the GPU output. Enter BIOS with delete or F2. Confirm the system recognizes the CPU, RAM, and storage. Set your USB installer as the first boot device. Save and exit, then boot the installer. Follow on-screen prompts to install your OS. Install chipset and graphics drivers from the manufacturer sites. Once drivers are in, your PC is ready for action. Your new PC is built, OS running, drivers installed. First, monitor temperatures at idle. Around 30-40 degrees Celsius is great. Run stress tests like Prime 95 for CPU and Furmark for GPU for 20-30 minutes while watching temps. If temps stay in range and no crashes occur, your build is stable. Tackle cable management. Use zip ties or Velcro straps and route behind the motherboard tray. Cleaner cables improve airflow and elevate the look. Welcome to the club. The community is amazing. Forums, the r/build-a-PC subreddit, and YouTube channels are there to help. Don't be afraid to ask. We were all beginners. Building is a journey. Upgrade, tweak, and customize over time. Install your favorite software and enjoy the performance you built. Let's get building. You've earned it.